In less than 15 minutes, you will drift into deep rest. This method is based on sleep research. You don't need to do anything. Just close your eyes and breathe slowly and deeply with each breath, a little slower than the one before. Imagine lying on a beautiful sunny beach, the blue sky above you, warm soft sand massaging your back, the bright sun kissing your skin. As you exhale, let the word relax drift through your mind. Let each out-breath be a little longer than the last. You may even try breathing out with a soft sigh, releasing tension. Soften the muscles of your face, especially around the eyes. Let your mouth rest loosely, the jaw heavy, the lips easy, as if already asleep. Each breath guiding you deeper with every exhale, letting go further until after a while there is only the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice how calm you are now. Each breath bringing a little more ease. This calm spreading through your whole body. With every breath, you drift deeper and deeper, relaxed, deeper and deeper. Your soft, warm blanket covers you like the clear blue water of a Caribbean sea. The salt water beneath, safely holding you, carrying your weight. The water surrounding your chest, rising and falling with every breath. You feel it along your head, your neck, your arms and legs, your hips, your back, your shoulders. Above you, a bright blue sky, white clouds drifting by, like thoughts passing slowly and easily. The current sways gently like a cradle. Around you, peaceful little creatures move without hurry. A tiny, playful fish, circling close, appears to be smiling at you. Everything here, quiet, safe, serene. And now, you feel a sweet release, sinking slowly, deeper and deeper, through clear blue ocean water. It holds you like a safe home, as if this sea has always known you, drifting back to a place of rest and security. You feel where your body ends and the water begins, fading away into one calm space. Feel the fresh air flowing in through your nose, as if your body is carried by warmth. Then let out a gentle stream of air through your slightly open mouth. Think in the word relax. Above you, the soft light fades away. Everything grows quiet, calmer still. Your deep, relaxing breath carries you further down to the silent ground of the ocean. You feel light and content, stillness all around you as you breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Finally, you come to rest on the quiet quiet ocean floor. Here, everything is still. The sand beneath you, holding you safely. The water around you, calm and endless. You are resting at the very bottom. Peaceful, steady, supported. And when a thought appears in your mind, just watch it with gentle interest. Breathe in deeply, and in the pause before the next out-breath, place the thought into a tiny, shining water bubble. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth, sending the bubble with your thought upwards. Letting go. Watch it rising, drifting away, floating higher, letting go, and higher, letting go, until it disappears, letting go, leaving you calm, letting go, easy, letting go, and relaxed, letting go. Repeat this visualization, letting go, as often as you like. Letting go, letting go. As you rest here, letting go, on the quiet ocean floor, letting go. Your breath makes you calmer, letting go. With every cycle, letting go, and you begin to feel letting go at one, letting go with the wide, letting go, deep ocean, letting go, letting go. Your eyelids, letting go, heavy and calm, letting go. The small muscles around your eyes, letting go. Softening completely, letting go. The forehead smooth, letting go. The jaw loose, letting go. Letting go. The mouth resting easily, for a moment. You act as if you were already asleep, and notice how this makes the calm spread through your whole body. This release flowing down into your shoulders, every trace of tension dissolving like mist in water. You feel a living warmth moving through your arms and hands, through your feet, and through your legs. You sense the life energy in every nerve cell, all the way into the tips of your fingers and the tips of your toes. This calm spreading through your chest and stomach, the breath soft and steady, the whole back loosening as if each muscle forgets to hold on. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. And the wave continues down through your hips and into your legs. The thighs letting go. You can let go completely. The calves at rest. All the way. You can let go completely. Into your feet. You can let go completely. Heavy. You can let go completely. And peaceful. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. Now, you can let go completely. Your whole body, from head to toe, is quiet, completely supported, safe and still, as if floating in spacious silence. You can remain here for as long as you wish. Breathing softly. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. Drifting deeper. You can let go completely. And deeper. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. You can let go completely. Every time you return to this practice, the feeling of sinking will carry you even further. Into calm. You can let go completely. Into deep. You can let go completely. Peace. You can let go completely. 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 You can let go completely.